Good morning, children. How are y'all? I'm fine. Okay, now, ma'am told you a story, right? Do you remember? What is the story? Ma'am told you a story, right? What is the story? Yes, the froggy story. Yes. Now, the next day, all your teachers joined and enacted that story and showed you. Do you remember? They enacted the story, right? So now, I want you to do two things for ma'am. How many things? Two things for ma'am. One is you have to tell the story like how ma'am told you. Will you do it? And you have to follow some rules. You have to tell the story, okay? And you have to finish the story by telling it in 2 minutes. How many minutes? 2 minutes. You have to tell the story, okay? And then ma'am will give you another activity. What it is? That would be like you have to draw some things, some pictures about the story, okay? That is, you have to draw. If it is first standard, they are going to draw the characters. And if it is second standard, I want all the second standards to draw scene wise. Okay? Do you remember scene wise? Scene 1, the father frog will come and talk to the mother frog. So how many characters are coming in? That is scene 1. Then for scene 2, what is happening? Mama frog is coming out and seeing the father frog swimming inside the pond, and Mama frog is jumping into it. So that's scene 2. Like this, you have to think over how many scenes are there, and scene 1 and draw the picture, scene 2 and draw the picture, scene 3 and draw the pictures. So scene wise you have to draw the pictures. And first standards should draw only the characters. How many characters are there? And if you can do something more than that, you can also do it and make your sheet look more creative. Okay, that's it. The third one will be, I told you two, but now the third one is coming. The third one will be, I'll be giving you a test on the frog story. So ma'am will be asking you lots of questions based on the story, and I want you to answer it. First standards may be in words or one or two, like 2 3 words joining and making a small sentence. Okay? And second standards, no one word answers accepted. It should be only purely in sentence. If your answers are in one word, ma'am will not correct your answers. You got it? Ma'am wants second standard children. I know that you learned to write your own passage, right? You know to write your own comprehensions. So I want you to make your answers only in sentence. How your answer should be? Only in full sentence. Yes, you have to do it for me. Will you do it? Yes. And then ma'am is going to give the best activity, the best storyteller, and the best test writer. For all these 3 children, they'll be getting 5 stars, 5 smileys, and 5 thumbs up from me. Okay? You're ready? Who's going to get all the 5, 5, 5? I want to see. Okay? Maybe a child is very good in telling the story, might be scoring the full stars from me. 5 stars. Okay? Right? And who was good at writing in sentence without any spelling errors might be getting 5 smileys from me. Okay? And who's good in drawing might be getting 5 thumbs ups from me. Okay? So let us see who are going to get the stars, smileys, and the thumbs up from your ma'am. Do you like your Noella ma'am to give you that? Do you want me to give you that? Then I want you to work on it, and then every day one sheet will be coming. In this 3 activities, whatever I said, one day will be storytelling, one day will be the character. You have to draw the characters. Then one day will be on the test. That is, a ma'am will be questioning and you have to answer me. So all the 3 things you have to do, and then you will be called Star of the Week. Who's that? Do you like to be Star of the Week? Do you want to be? Okay, then face the challenge. Are you ready, children? Yes. Bye.